came to this Home Goods in Waco that literally just opened yesterday. This is so cute. Made in Italy. I just noticed that they're color coordinated. Oh my god. This whole thing is so aesthetic. Okay, so we're on our way. We've made it to Dallas and we're on our way to go eat at Grand Lux Cafe because Layla really wants to eat there. And we didn't realize that this weekend is pretty busy in Dallas because both Bad Bunny and Justin Bieber are gonna be here. So this hotel is packed. Just in case we see Bad Bunny at our restaurant, she's reminding me what he looks like. Little breakfast moment.
You need more? You see if you want to.
Look, it's so cute. This is so nice. This one is so cute. And it's $49.90. You don't want to try it on, Sophie? These shoes are so interesting to me. Look at those huge platforms.
Oh my god, those are so nice.
You like them, Sophie?
I
They're
love
too
them.
pink.
You can never have too much pink.
I can kind of appreciate how everything's kind of like color coded somehow. Those are pretty. Got a nice little... Actually, I think I might have those. Oh my god, look at how long these are. It's her whole body. Oh, got gelato. I got a strawberry one. Layla got a...
Chocolate chip.
chocolate chip. No, say it the Italian way.
Stracciatella.
Ah! Okay, so little Sephora haul. My little sister got this Hoola bronzer. She got a little Gucci perfume. And then me and Soph are gonna share these. Well, I got one and she got one. I got the Believe color and she got the, what is it, Sophie? Encourage. And these are the Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blushes. And she showed me them and I thought they looked really cute, so I got one too. Layla, do you want to show what you got? Okay, she's gonna show these. I got this Anastasia sharpener because mine is a mess and it's really ugly. So my sister ended up getting this because Sophie had tried it. Sophie, do you like it?
Yeah,
Do you think it worked?
I think.
How long did it take till you saw results?
I don't really know. I was just playing around consistently for like 8 months.
8 months.
I got the Jimmy Choo Fever perfume, which I am excited because I wanted it for a while, so yeah.
Where did you see it announced, Sophie? On the TikTok.
No, on YouTube.
Oh. Wow.
Look how pretty.
Ooh, look at that. It's nice. Does it smell good? Yeah. Wait, not like that because it's going to get on the pillow. I got this Rare Beauty Foundation concealer. It's in the color 230N. So yeah, I'm going to try this. And then I got my primer that I always use by Smashbox. And a new bronzer by Fenty. It's in shade 2, Shady Biz. And then I got this like small Tarte concealer. It's super small, but I'm just gonna try it for fun. Yeah, that's it. Look what it says. I want to show Layla.
We have to get it.
Yes! Can we try this tonight?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can try it.
Sophie said she wants to get him.
Funny.
Sassy thighs.
Firming and smoothing.
Yeah, both.
Are there more? Because we can
Yeah,
share this.
for real. I'm just gonna grab this side. Oh my god, stop. Disinfecting.
Yummy.
Oh.
Let me explain.
This is so close because they messed up this one, and do you see how close they are? So I'm trying to make them even.
Oh, Layla, I think you're more brave than me. I think my heart's beating pretty
Just
fast.
don't stop the back of my neck.
Oh yeah, that's smart. Don't do that.
So if you go all the way, don't.
This is what the needle looks like. 18 gauge.
Don't squeeze my ear because it's sore.
Oh wait, do you want me to use the cool little clipper thingy?
If you want.
I need to disinfect the clamp. What? They're like the environment.
Just don't clamp it too hard because you're gonna break my ear.
Stop saying stuff like that. 1, 2, 3. How was that?
Fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just breathe. Okay. I'm gonna put this in here. And bring it through. Okay.
Just blood?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, girl, that's a lot of blood.
Stop it! You were stressing me out, sister.
Half. 1.
Me! Stop!
0.75.
Are you serious?
Yes! You want me to measure or not? Okay, it's in. Do you want me to get the jewelry now?
Oh, that was pressure. I heard a pop. Did you hear pops?
Yeah.
Great.
Ooh, ooh. Move the towel here because it's bleeding a lot. Okay, it's in, but there's a lot of blood.
Oh! Okay.
It's literally dripping everywhere. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just getting hot.
Okay, you should sit then.
Is it still bleeding a lot?
Yeah, from the back.
Good morning. It's a new day, and I realized that I haven't really given an update on YouTube about my surgery since the last video. I think I mentioned that I was in physical therapy, and officially I have been released from physical therapy. I'm now able to fully open my mouth all the way, which the surgeon wanted my goal to be 48 millimeters. It's kind of like in the middle between what the average is. It's usually about 35 to 45, and I'm able to eat practically anything, but I tend to still go towards softer foods because my jaw does get kind of sore if I eat too many hard foods. I'm still not able to eat with my front teeth, but that will be over in May. And that's when I'll be clear to start using my front teeth. As I mentioned, the top jaw takes longer to heal than the bottom jaw. And I was notified by my orthodontist that after about 1 more month, I will be able to get my braces removed. So I'm super excited about that. And then a month after that, I think, is when I'll be able to start eating like sandwiches and kind of be released from any restrictions, which is really nice.
Hi, I'm just looking for some jeans. I'm gonna try these.
Yay! Good dad jean. Like that one and that one. We're in the men's section at this point. Welcome back. Well, not welcome you back, welcome me back, because I just kind of like never finished vlogging and just kind of like dipped out, and then I realized later that I had never finished vlogging. Basically we got home okay and everything, and then we just really got busy, and then I ended up catching, I guess, a cold. Basically what's going on now is I am set to start singing again this week, so this Sunday will be my first Sunday singing in worship again, which I'm really nervous because, of course, I ended up, catching this cold and I sound like this. So I've been trying to hydrate a lot, and I've been using some like little powder thingies that like have electrolytes, and I don't know, it sounds good. But I've also been drinking a lot of coffee, so hydration for me is always like an issue. Yeah, I'm really excited though, because I think that this is part of that whole like getting back into routine, and just like trying to figure out what this whole like singing is gonna look like for me, because it is completely different. As a singer, you have to kind of keep your whole face, your whole body in check, and how relaxed your body is. And having gone through the surgery, like, it was supposed to also help with a lot of benefits, because I used to carry a lot of tension in my jaw since it was, like, you know, crooked and all that. It just had a lot of tension. And so this is supposed to have a lot of benefits, and I don't really know if I will feel those benefits right away, because like I said, my lip is still numb and I'm still in the recovery process, but I'm really, really nervous. Like, I cried yesterday because I was so nervous just about everything. I've been under a lot of stress because it's kind of like put on myself, but I was reminded this morning of just like how it's all for the glory of God, and you know, at the end of the day, he's the one in charge and I'm just a vessel. So super excited to see, you know, how everything works out on Sunday. I'm just excited to see what like the next few months will be like, because our whole family is going to be going on a trip, and for me, like, going to a different country is very much like learning their culture, and a big part of culture is food, and I don't want to have any restrictions, so I'm super excited. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for sticking around for the end of my vlog, and hopefully I get to see you guys soon. Bye!